2023 Toyota Highlander key fob battery replacement. Turn the remote over and we're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of it. There's a sliding switch here. Slide it over to the left and then you can pull out the emergency key. It's a little sticky. Okay. Helps when there's a little key ring on this thing, but see, it comes right out like that. Now if we look in here, there's two slots. This slot here is for the key, and this slot right here is to open up the remote. What you want to do is you want to turn it over where the buttons face down. Before we do this, put your screwdriver in here and give it a twist, and that cracks the remote open without doing any damage to the remote. We can open it up like that. Now the reason why we have the buttons facing down is because the little keyboard can come falling out and the buttons are actually loose, okay? So we don't want to lose the buttons. So there's actually a little slot right here where you can put a screwdriver and then just pry the battery out. Battery size is a CR2032 battery. When you get your new one, slide it in here to the top first and then snap it down like that. I have to line up this a little bit, make it fit in there good. You need a battery. I'll have a link in the description box where you can get a new Panasonic battery. Fairly cheap there. And then you get the two halves, snap them together, emergency key goes back in, and you are all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it to hit the like button for me and leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another Toyota video.